Die Verbrennung der
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 3 rockstar fragrances. But before we talk about those, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting the big red button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also if you like the video, do consider giving it a thumbs up. But if you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down, that's perfectly okay too. So let's talk about some fragrances. To my mind, and to my nose I suppose, a rockstar fragrance is something that straddles the line between animalic and elegant. So with that in mind, my first pick is Tom Ford's Ombre Leather. This is equal measure animalic, dirty, and clean and elegant. As far as leather fragrances go, this is about as realistic as you can get, and in my experience, leather fragrances aren't the best when it comes to compliments. However, people love the way Tom Ford's Ombre Leather smells. What they don't love is the $250 price though. This means it's going to be out of reach for a lot of people. Having said that though, if you want to smell rock and roll, if you want to smell absolutely fantastic, do consider trying Ombre Leather, because in my opinion it's the best fragrance ever made. It's my personal favorite, and the performance is on another level as well. If I wear this on my skin, it gets about 48 hours if I don't absolutely try and hack it and scrub it off. But on my clothes, this thing lasts eternally. I mean, I've got a black denim jacket in my wardrobe that I sprayed this on maybe 3 months ago, and I can still smell it just as strong as ever. And my whole wardrobe basically smells like this because of that one jacket. So be careful of how many times you spray this. 3 on a jacket was absolutely monstrous, but it smells fantastic and I get compliments for this one all the time. As far as leather scents go, this is going to be your most complimented one, except maybe Tuscan Leather by Tom Ford as well. Anyways, I can't recommend this fragrance enough. Next up is something both similar and a little different, Bulgari Man In Black. This fragrance, according to the label, smells oriental, amber, floral. It's got rum, tuberose, leather, benzoin, tonka bean, and yeah. It smells absolutely divine, very similar to Spice Bomb and Spice Bomb Extreme, except a little boozier and a little more leathery. And to my nose, that's why this fragrance will always be better than Spice Bomb. Having said that though, there's rumors that this has been discontinued, and I really hope that isn't the case, because I was getting this for about $100 Australian, whereas Spice Bomb, you know, it's 100, 110, 120 depending on the concentration and the retailer where you're purchasing it from. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this over Spice Bomb any day of the week. Performance is solid, it's about an 8-hour scent. However, on clothes, Bulgari's Man In Black lasts even longer, up to over 48 hours. So yeah, this one smells absolutely rock and roll. It's fantastic. You're gonna get monstrous compliments for this one. People love the way this one smells in a way that a just straight up leather scent can't compete. But yeah, rummy, leathery, boozy, spicy, this one has it all, and it's definitely in my top 10. Oh, either this or Black Orient. Man In Black Black Orient is in my top 10. I don't know if I could pick between the two. Maybe this one because it's slightly boozier. And lastly, we've got Leather Skies by All Saints. This is a really elegant leather scent as well, but it's a little fresher and a little brighter than Tom Ford's Ombre Leather. I love the minimalistic packaging, and the bottle is really nice as well. Little design in there. There aren't too many leather scents on the market that smell as fresh and unique as this one. It's my scent of the day. I'm actually going to reapply it. It smells incredible. The way the leather is presented in this one is very clean. There also is a touch of spiciness that's also kind of reminiscent of Bulgari Man In Black and Spice Bomb. I would say this is like a good combination between Spice Bomb, Man In Black, and maybe John Varvatos' Dark Rebel Rider. Yeah, it's somewhere in that ballpark, except it's a little fresher than all of those scents. It's definitely worth picking up, but at $120 Australian, Leather Skies is on the pricey side. Actually, everything I've recommended today is over $100, generally speaking, so my recommendation would be to just shop around on eBay, try and get a really good deal, because all of these scents are rock and roll and worth trying out. So, if you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below. And also, what's your pick for the most rock and roll fragrance? Anyways, until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.